And now shifting focus, in a major disclosure, the Indian Air Force has for the first time confirmed that Pakistani jets were down during Operation Sindoor. IAF Chief AP Singh revealed that India's surface-to-air missile system successfully downed 6 Pakistani aircraft, 5 Pakistani fighter jets and 1 large military plane. In his presentation, the IAF chief also unveiled several new images of Pakistani military targets struck by India during Operation Sindoor. The never-seen-before images clearly show that Pakistani air assets, including radar installations in Lahore, Arifwala and Chunian, took a sound beating. Meanwhile, the IAF chief's statements have sparked a political clash over Operation Sindoor once again. The opposition has questioned Prime Minister Modi over why he stopped Operation Sindoor and capitulated so soon if we were ahead in the war. But the BJP has hit back at the Congress, saying that the IAF chief's statements directly contradict their lies and allegations. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, had alleged in Parliament that the government had tied the hands of Indian pilots, but the IAF chief slammed that claim when he said that there were no restrictions on the forces by the government.
You went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan, and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back.
If I can say, what were the reasons for success? One, which I can think of, is that there was political will. I'm being very, very candid here, very open here, because I hear various versions of it. I think if I tell you something, people will have to believe, because I was there listening to everybody, attending every meeting. There was very clear political will, very clear directions which were given to us, and there were no kind of restrictions which were put on it. Many people have spoken somewhere. Unfortunately, everybody is speaking about it. कि कुछ ना कुछ मैं बोल दूंगा इस बारे में. So there have been talks about, was there any restriction? Were you kept constrained? If there were any constraints, they were self-made. We, the forces, decided what will be our rules of engagement. We, the forces, decided what will be the escalation ladder that we want to ride on. We decided how we want to control the escalation. So I want to make it very clear. There were no, I repeat, no restrictions on us. Full freedom was given to us to plan and execute.
We have to salute our heroes of Operation Sindoor, the great armed forces, and also the great scientists, जिन्होंने जो शस्त्र दिया और अस्त्र दिया, उन लोगों को भी हम लोग हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए, and we are grateful to them for their great contribution with regard to the success of Operation Sindoor.
जो आज उन्होंने जानकारी दी, उसके बाद जो हमारा सवाल है, जो प्रधानमंत्री से हम बार बार पूछते हैं, पूरा देश पूछता है, वो आज और मुझे लगता है जोर से पूछना चाहिए कि आप जब इतनी मजबूत सेना, इतना आगे हम बढ़ रहे थे, तो अचानक किसके दबाव में आकर आपने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर रोक दिया? और ट्रंप पहला ट्वीट करके बताते हैं कि सीज फायर हो गया. ये दबाव क्यों था? इस दबाव का भारत को क्या लाभ हुआ?
War strategies are different from political strategies. War strategies, when to take, what to take, where to take, that's are all the defense issues. See, sitting in a AC room, Congress or BJP or any other party cannot take decisions. It is the matter of the defense. But the Congress party is always talking like a childish leadership. That Rahul Gandhi is a child actually. See, his upper chamber is totally empty. So they ask all the questions like a young boy. Okay, now the truth is coming out.
हमें अपनी फौज पे घमंड है. पाकिस्तान कहीं टिकता नहीं है. लेकिन हमारा सवाल ये है कि हमारे जो राफेल और ईयर जेट पाकिस्तान ने गिराए थे उसका क्लेरिफिकेशन क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? सरकार क्यों नहीं बताती कि हमारे 5 जेट गिराए गए कि नहीं गिराए गए, राफेल गिराया गया कि नहीं गिराया गया? इसका क्लेरिफिकेशन सरकार क्यों नहीं कर रही है? हमारा सवाल अपनी जगह अभी भी मौजूद है।
5 fighter jets and 1 AWACS has been totally confirmed by the Air Chief. Besides, large number of other assets have been shot down or destroyed by our Indian Armed Forces in about 88 hours of small, I'll say, an operation with Pakistan. Why they have taken 3 months to give such an answer and coming out in the open. But as a civilization tradition and as a responsible leadership of Indian Armed Forces, it was very important for the Air Chief to have validated all the information which is available using technology, technical intelligence, satellite intelligence, and variety of other intelligence sources to confirm that the successes which were achieved on the ground by Indian Armed Forces were assured to be declared in the public domain.